Hi. This is a four-player Pong. This is a new game. Somebody suggested me to do this comment. Somebody put a comment for me to do a game instead of doing a shape. So yeah, I'm going to follow that, and I'm going to do a four-player Pong game. This will require. I am only going to do this introductory video because this will take very long. This will take very long for me to do. This will require. This requires episodes for a tutorial. So I cannot. So the tutorial will come. Will come. Will come a bit later. So it will come in a few months' time. I'm sorry, guys. Anyway, I got inspired by in my last video. I played some four-player chess, and I got inspired by that to make four-player pod. Why not? Because yeah, and it's fun. Introduction, and there you go. So yeah, when I play four-player chess, there's a score, and I do. That's the score. Yeah, the score is you have to be the last man standing. Four-player pod is the same. You have to be the last man standing as well, because the scoring system is player one. Player one is fourth, player two is third, player three is second, player four is first, and there are losers or winners. The loser is fourth, or third, or second. The winner is first, and also the scores. Every time you miss one, you just lose a point. You lose a point. And the ball goes faster by an insignificant amount of value every time it hits a paddle. God. This is quite complex code, which requires about 262 lines of code. And I'm just going to leave this run for a bit. As you can see, player two is fourth. And when player two is fourth, he immediately goes away, and instead it bounces. And he's out of the game. Out of the game. So basically, this will become two-player chess. Two-player Pong, sorry. Player one and player four seems losing. Player four is going to lose. Player four is third, and player one is second, player three is first, and that leaves celebration time for player three. And that's the end of the introduction video. Thank you. Goodbye.